Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel guys. So since you guys really loved my vlog where I shared my daily morning routine, and you guys really loved that one, so I was like planning to clean my room today, so I just thought of making a vlog of it and share it with you guys. So if you are interested in watching this video, then please keep on watching. So all I will do is I just clean this entire room, like entirely, from curtains to floor to everything. So yeah, if you're interested, then please keep on watching. Okay, so to start with, what I will do is I will first show you how it looks right now, and then whatever is on surface, I'm gonna put everything outside from the room so that no dust can harm it or something. So yeah, we'll do that, and then step by step you will see in my video. Now please don't mind my clothes. Like, I know it's very bad color combination, but who cares, man? We are in quarantine and lockdown. I wear whatever I find on the top of my rack, so I just wear that. So please don't mind my clothes, and I'm gonna put my hair in a bun. So again, very big disclaimer, please don't mind my bun and my chula and my jalli look, because this is how I look when I'm at home. So yeah, let's get started now. Okay, again, it's 25th of June today, and it's almost 12:30 right now, so we're gonna start. So this is the condition of my room right now. So what I'll do is I'll take all of that thing and the laptop bag outside of the room, so we don't have anything which can disturb us. And that is my bias chadar, that is mine. That teddy is also mine, which I use as a pillow sometimes. So I'm gonna take out the cushion covers, pillow covers, and the chadars, and then put them in a washing along with the curtains. Like, once I'll take this out, and then I'll start taking off the curtains and put them in a washing. I directly put them in a washing machine, so that's very easy for me. So let's do that. As I said, I will take all of this thing and put them in a washing, so that's exactly what I'm doing here. Now I do such kind of cleaning almost like maybe once in a month. I don't do it on daily or on weekly basis. It just takes too much time. That's why I do it once in a month. I will not take off the bed sheets right now, because all the dust which will be there can really ruin the mattresses. So what I do is I just keep them on until I'm done dusting everything, so that dust is only on the bed sheet and not on the mattresses. So bed sheet can go in washing, so I take off them at the end. Here I'm just taking off the curtains. We also have this net thingy on the window which protects us from the mosquitoes and insects and everything if we plan to keep the windows open at the night or even in the daytime. So that also needs to get cleaned, because dust can really get stuck onto it. So we clean it with the soap and water, and yeah, we really need to clean it once in a month. Now I'm taking this jharu specially made for cleaning the jalas and everything. So yeah, it really helps with dusting off the spider nets. यूजुअली आई क्लीन द फैन फर्स्ट, बिकॉज पंखा साफ़ करने के बाद उसकी धूल वापस से नीचे सारे जगह पे गिरती है, तो पहले नीचे की चीज़ साफ़ करने का मतलब ही नहीं रहता. बट दैट डे आई रियली फॉरगॉट टू क्लीन द फैन फर्स्ट एंड स्टार्टेड क्लीनिंग अदर थिंग्स. सो या, that's what happened. Now I'm just cleaning the windows and its grill with wet and dry cloth. Like, at first I'll clean it with dry cloth so that dust can come off, and then we'll go ahead and clean it with wet cloth. I really wish this was this easy and this fast in real life also, but trust me girls, it takes hell lot of time to do this. It usually takes me around 2 to 3 hours in a normal day, because other works also go simultaneously, and I do it all all alone, so if I forgot something to take in, so I have to stop doing that and I'll go out and take it, and yeah, just things go around like that, so it takes a lot of time. Can you see the amount of dust this fan carries with it? Like, see that? It was really gross. It happens because at night we keep the window open. Like sometimes we keep it open, sometimes we turn the AC on. So that's why there was so much dust on it. Yeah, it's very satisfying though to look at the things getting cleaned. At least for me, I don't know how other people react on this, but I really find it very satisfying. We have 3 windows in my room. One is very small and 2 windows are comparatively bigger. So that's where it takes a lot of time to clean each and every grill. That's what the most time consuming thing for me, to clean the windows. Now just dusting the other things like I do usually. Like this kind of dusting happens daily in my house, so there wasn't much dust. Now that I'm done with dusting part, I will take off the sheets and put them in a washing. Just left with jharu and pocha, so we'll do that now. झाड़ू लगाने के बाद वापस थोड़ी बहुत धूल जमा हो जाती है, तो इसलिए आई एम डूइंग द डस्टिंग पार्ट अगेन. Now we'll put on the clean bed sheets. I really suck with doing this, especially when I'm alone. My papa does it so well, like he's so perfect. There won't be a single crease on the bed sheet. I really need to learn that from him one day. But yeah, I can do it little good. Like it's not bad, but it's not perfect either. Window nets and curtains get dry while I do all of this, so by the time I finish this work, my curtains and window net are all ready to go back where they belong. So yeah, that was all for today's video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video, and I will make more such videos along with fashion and beauty related videos, so stay tuned for that. Thank you once again. Wait for my next video. Until then, bye bye.